that what that rocket was?
Do you like it?
I love it! This is just amazing! Look at this! This is the greatest weather phenomenon in history!
Hey, aren't you a weather girl?
Daddy, get your
This just in, our humiliated weather intern is apparently back for more.
Thanks, Patrick. Okay, everybody, you are not going to believe this one, but I am standing in the middle of a burger rain. You may have seen a meteor shower, but you've never seen a shower meteor than this.
For a town stuck eating sardines, this is totally manna from heaven.
This tastes significantly better than sardines!
This is going to be big.
This food weather was created intentionally by geekish backyard tinkerer Flint Lockwood.
Flint Lockwood?
Hi.
You're under arrest for ruining Sardine Land.
Clint, those burgers were awesome. The producer called and he was all like,
Everybody loves that food weather.
Food weather. What? This could be even bigger than Sardine Land.
can you make it rain food again, please?
No, well, I don't really know if I...
You're gonna do it again?
Oh, you gotta be kidding!
Please.
Yes!
No,
Dad, just give me one more chance.
we both know this was an accident.
I know, but listen,
Cheeseburgers from the sky, that's not natural.
I mean, my invention could save the whole town. You will be so proud of me, Dad. Plus, there's a girl here.
Can you look me in the eye and tell me you've got this under control and it's not gonna end up in a disaster?
Yes? I've got this under control. It's not gonna end in disaster. Oh.
All right.
Thanks, Dad.
Oh, sure.
Okay, so Sam, this is where the magic happens.